So, this one is a little bit of an emotional one for me here. So, this is my 240SX. This is my 89 S13 coupe. I had this car for a couple decades, and about 15, 16 years ago, hurt the motor, blew the motor up. It's been sitting on my jack stands ever since in my garage. It's the first time it's been outside in the weather in 16 years. It's been a while. This car here is I would not be in the business I am if it wasn't for this car. It would not be where I am if it wasn't for this car right here. SR20, red top, S13. This is my 11-second daily driver back in the day. Won an NHRA Wally with this thing 20 years ago in 2006. Fell on hard times, hurt the motor, couldn't do anything with it. Put on jack stands, left it in my garage. A lot of people would have just sold it, but I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. So for 6 months, 8 months, something like that, my son's been bugging me like, you got to get this thing, bring it to the shop. You got to bring it to the shop. You got to bring it to the shop. I told my sons, I said, hey, when you guys want us to dig it out of the garage, because it was buried in there, a lot of it's been stacked up in it, around it, underneath it and stuff. I said, if you guys want to put the work in and dig it out, I'll give you a hand. We'll take it to the shop, but you guys got to help me with it. Here it is. It's on my trailer. It's on my trailer, and it is ready to go to the shop. So we're going to make some room at the shop, move some stuff around, finish up a couple things that's in there that can leave, so we can make some room and get it in there. So the boys, they spent some time, and here it is. It's on the trailer and it's ready. So we're gonna have more of a story on this one. This is where it all begins. This is where it all began, and this is a good one. So hold on tight. This is gonna be a good ride.